Here's how to get a custom crosshair on Fortnite for your PS5. First, you need to go ahead and open Fortnite on your PS5, press the options button on your controller, and then go to support and refunds, and then select support. This will open an Epic Games website or the web page. Hover over the Epic Games logo in the top left corner and then click on Epic Games Store. From the store, simply search for Crosshair X. This application lets you customize the color, shape, and size of your crosshair. It's a free to download and highly recommended. So click on Get and sign in to your Epic Games account. Make sure that it's the same account linked to your Fortnite account. The custom crosshair will appear when you start Fortnite. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.